First at 6, we're diving into a call to action from a top state law enforcement official 1 month after the deadly mass shooting at Annunciation Church.
BCA Superintendent Drew Evans told us possible warning signs were not reported before that attack, and he called on everybody to make those reports going forward.
Renee Cooper has been digging into the state's violence prevention strategy and what could be done to improve it. Renee.
Well, Evans passed on our interview request, so I turned to a certified expert and a former leader of violence prevention efforts at the U.S. Department of Homeland Security.
Is it realistic to expect or rely on the public to report such warning signs?
I think it's a necessary component, and I'll explain why. As humans, we are biologically predisposed to want to communicate. They're leaving out clues.
Certified threat manager Bruno Diaz says warning signs precede the vast majority of mass attacks. 77% of them posted online.
People usually connect reporting as getting someone in trouble. Through behavioral threat assessment and management, if we intervene early, we may be able to help the individual.
Federal research shows attacks can and have been thwarted, but it's a fairly new frontier. Diaz says Minnesota has a prevention plan on paper, but still has a ways to go.
And I commend Minnesota for being one of only 8. What we need is legislative support and funding to make prevention operational.
Diaz says dedicated funds and legislation is needed to help state, local law enforcement, and schools build up trained threat assessment teams.
This work should function like a baton relay race. If it's someone who's struggling, who maybe needs mental health support, I hand the baton off to a mental health provider. The mental health provider provides services. Maybe things are not working out. The public safety concern is elevated. Now they have a communication threshold to hand that back to law enforcement. So that requires partnerships. It requires policy work, right, so that you can have these operational channels clearly defined.
He says social media sites and online search engines could also do more. Diaz tested this. When he searched domestic violence, sexual assault, or suicide, Google redirected him to resources like helplines. But when he typed, "I want to be a school shooter,"
I'm never pointed out to any redirect. I just get a list of previous shootings where, as a struggling individual, I may go there and find validation in what others have done through violence. So I think we need more education, we need more awareness, and we also need to do impact studies. And I hope that through this absolute chaos, there could be a potential lesson to make kids and Minnesotans safer.
I've got a list to the BCA's list of warning signs to look out for over on KSTP.com. And both Diaz and the BCA agree, if you're in doubt, report. Live in St. Paul tonight, Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.